Greetings, Group 2. I am going to go through what you need to do for the next 2 days, so let's get started. So, your classwork is going to look a lot different than mine. I'm on Teacher View, but what you will see in classwork is you'll see some things that we've already done, and this you don't need to worry about. Or no, I'm sorry, that writing we do need to do, so let's go look at that writing first. So you're going to choose one of these prompts and write about it. Make sure to do the following. Write a beginning, use transition words, be detailed, show what your story is about, write an ending. Choose one of these two prompts. You are alone. You find yourself locked in your favorite store alone overnight. Where are you and what do you do? Or write about your summer. Do it on a Google Doc. You can type or use voice typing. Make sure to turn it in when you are done. Then, you know what, I'm going to switch over to here actually. So I'm going to move this to the top. So you'll see that at the top. But you need to read 20 minutes each day. And then I posted a story and you're going to fill in the graphic organizer. So if we go back here to classwork, you're going to have just one story, just read it. And then you've got this graphic organizer right here. Loading. I could sing the Jeopardy song all the way. It's coming. Alright, there we go. So, you're just going to fill in the story elements here, writing the text title, character setting, problem solution, and then turn this in. Let's go back here to the stream. Then, play Dreambox for 20 minutes each day. With the story, I should say you could read the story one day, fill in the graphic organizer the next. The story can count towards your 20 minutes of reading too. Finish your name tag on Seesaw, click the green check mark when finished, and then complete that writing assignment I went through. Since I won't see you till Thursday, you can send me a message on here on any of the assignments. There's a spot at the bottom. And then you can also email me if you need to. It's grantm@fargoschools.org. So send me messages any way you need to if you have questions. Those are kind of the quickest ways to reach me. My phone number is 446-4734, but that might be tougher for me to respond to, especially during the school day. During the school day, I get a couple minutes here and there where I can check messages. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you Thursday.